Hi guys, welcome to SciTech Info. This is Sai Gautam from class 11th here to discuss you about the chemistry topic IUPAC nomenclature and covalent bonded carbon compounds. Let's move into the topic. So here we have IUPAC nomenclature topic. First, it is the system of naming compounds in chemistry. IUPAC stands for, that is, I stands for international, U stands for union of, P stands for pure, and A stands for applied, C stands for chemistry. That is, IUPAC means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Second, the word root. Word root is the name corresponding to number of carbon atoms in long chain of carbon atoms in organic compound. That is, word root which we give to the carbon atoms present in long chain of organic compounds. Third, primary suffix. It indicates the nature of carbon atom chain selected. That is, single bond atom we give suffix as ane. Double bond atom we give suffix as ene, and triple bond atom we give suffix as yne. Fourth, secondary suffix. It defines functional groups in organic compounds. Fifth, prefix. It means something which is fixed or attached before or at the beginning. Primary prefix. It is the word which helps to distinguish between a cyclic and an acyclic compound. Seventh, secondary prefix. Contains group in organic chemistry and are written in prefix. They are regarded to substitution, means it contains groups in organic chemistry and these are written in prefix, and also these are regarded to the substitution things. So here we have the first five members of alkanes. First, CH4, its IUPAC name is methane and structural formula is such that one carbon atom bonded with four hydrogen atoms. Second, C2H6, its IUPAC name is ethane. Its structural formula is such that two carbon atoms bonded with six hydrogen atoms. Third, C3H8. Its IUPAC name is propane and its structural formula is such that three carbon atoms bonded with 8 hydrogen atoms. Fourth, C4H10. IUPAC name is butane and its structural formula is such that 4 carbon atoms bonded with 10 hydrogen atoms. Fifth, C5H12. Its IUPAC name is pentane and its structural formula is such that 5 carbon atoms bonded with 12 hydrogen atoms. So next we have first five members of alkenes. First, C2H4, that is ethene. Its structural formula is two carbon atoms having double bond is surrounded by four hydrogen atoms. Second, C3H6. Its IUPAC name is propene and the structural formula is CH2 double bond CH bond CH3. Third, C4H8. IUPAC name is butene and its structural formula is such that one carbon atom having double two hydrogen atoms surrounded by and has double bond with three other carbon atoms which are having and surrounded by six hydrogen atoms. Fourth, C5H10. Its IUPAC name is pentene and it has structural formula such that CH3 bond CH2 bond CH2 bond CH double bond CH2. Fifth, C6H12. That is IUPAC name is hexene and its structural formula is CH2 double bond CH bond CH2 bond CH2 bond CH2 bond CH3. Here in alkenes we doesn't have methane because it has only carbon, it doesn't contain hydrogen atom, so here methane is not considered and the first atom is considered as from ethane. So now we have the first five members of alkyne. Here also it doesn't contains like methane because methane has formula of CH2 and the atom containing or molecule containing a single carbon atom is not been considered in methane group. So it starts from C2H2, that is IUPAC name is ethane, and it has structural formula as which has H bond C with triple bond CH. Second, C3H4, its IUPAC name is propine, and it has H bond triple bond, that is H bond C triple bond C having bonded with one carbon and three hydrogen atoms. C4H6, its IUPAC name is butane. Its structural formula is CH3 bond CH2 bond C double bond CH. Next, C5H8, its IUPAC name is pentane. Its structural formula is CH3 bond C triple bond C bond CH2 bond CH3. Next, C6H10, its IUPAC name is hexane, and its structural formula is CH3 bond CH2 bond C triple bond C bond CH2 bond CH3. Next, we have first 5 members of alcohol. So in the alcohol group, every molecule or atom consists of OH. So here first CH3OH, its IUPAC name is methanol. Its structural formula is such that one carbon atom is bonded with 3 hydrogen atom and one OH group. Second, C2H5OH, its IUPAC name is ethanol. It is such that structural formula 2 carbon atoms having 5 hydrogen atoms and bonded with OH, that is alcohol. Third, C3H7OH, IUPAC name is propanol. So its structural formula is such that 3 carbon atoms bonded with 7 hydrogen atom and consist of one OH group, that is alcohol. Next, C4H9OH, its IUPAC name is butanol. Its structural formula is such that it consists of 4 carbon atoms bonded with 9 hydrogen atoms and one alcohol group, that is OH. Next, C5H11OH, its IUPAC name is pentanol, and its structural formula is such that it has 5 carbon atoms bonded with 11 hydrogen atom and one OH group, that is alcohol. Now we have the first 5 members of aldehyde. So in aldehyde group we attach CHO for the molecules or atoms. First, HCHO, its IUPAC name is methanal. Its structural formula is such that one carbon atom, one hydrogen atom having CHO group. Second, CH3CHO, its IUPAC name is ethanal. Its structural formula is such that one carbon atom having 3 hydrogen atoms and CHO group, that is aldehyde group. Third, C2H5CHO, its IUPAC name is propanal. Its structural formula is such that 2 carbon atoms having 5 hydrogen atoms with CHO group. Fourth, C3H7CHO, its IUPAC name is butanal. Its structural formula is such that 3 carbon atoms having 7 hydrogen atoms with a CHO group. Fifth, C4H9CHO, its IUPAC name is pentanal. Its structural formula is such that 4 carbon atoms having 9 hydrogen atoms bonded with CHO group. Now we have the first 5 members of acid. First, in the acid group, the atom consists of COOH. So first, HCOOH, that is methanoic acid. It is also called as formic acid, and its structural formula is HCOOH. Second, CH3COOH. It is IUPAC name is ethanoic acid, and it is also called as acetic acid. Its structural formula is such that one carbon atom consists of 3 hydrogen and COOH group. Third, C2H5COOH. Its IUPAC name is propanoic acid, and its structural formula is such that 2 carbon atoms having 5 hydrogen atom bonded with COOH group. Fourth, C3H7COOH. Its IUPAC name is butanoic acid, and it also called as butyric acid. Its structural formula is such that three carbon atoms bonded with seven hydrogen atoms and COOH group. Fifth, C4H9COOH. Its IUPAC name is pentanoic acid and it is also called as pentric acid, and its structural formula is such that four carbon atoms bonded with nine hydrogen atoms with COOH group. So now the first five members of carboxylate. In carboxylate, we attach COO minus to every atoms or elements or molecules. First, HCOO minus. Its IUPAC name is methanoate and its structural formula is same, that is HCOO minus. Second, CH3COO minus. Its IUPAC name is ethanoate and its structural formula is such that one carbon atom bonded with three hydrogen atoms and COO minus group. Third, C2H5COO minus, that is CH3CH2COO minus, and its IUPAC name is propanoate and its structural formula is such that two carbon atoms bonded with five hydrogen atoms and COO minus group. Fourth, C3H7COO minus, that is its IUPAC name is butanoate and its structural formula is C3 carbon atoms bonded with 7 hydrogen atoms and COO minus group. Fifth, CH3CH2CH2CH2COO minus, that is C4H9COO minus and its IUPAC name is pentanoate and its structural formula is such that 4 carbon atoms bonded with 9 hydrogen atoms and COO minus group. So now we have the first five member based on salts of potassium. First, HCOOK, that is its IUPAC name is potassium methanoate and its structural formula is same, that HCOOK. Next, CH3COOK, its IUPAC name is potassium ethanoate and its structural formula is such that one carbon atom having three hydrogen atoms and COOK group. Third, CH3CH2COOK, that is C2H5COOK. Its IUPAC name is potassium propanoate. Its structural formula is such that two carbon atoms having 5 hydrogen atoms and COOK group. Fourth, CH3CH2CH2COOK, that is C3H7COOK. Its IUPAC name is potassium butanoate and the structural formula is such that three carbon atoms bonded with 7 hydrogen atoms bonded with COO and K. Fifth, CH3CH2CH2CH2COOK, that is C4H9COOK. Its IUPAC name is potassium pentanoate and its structural formula is such that 4 carbon atoms bonded with 9 hydrogen atoms and COOK. So now we have covalent bond in carbon atoms. First, what are bonds? Bonds are forces that hold groups of atoms together and make them function as a unit. Second, ionic bonds. Ionic bonds means it is the transfer of electrons. Covalent bonds means it is sharing of electrons. And the resulting particle is a molecule in covalent bonds. Third, molecular compounds. Compounds that are bonded covalently. Fourth, a single covalent bond. It means sharing of two valence electrons. That is, if any element shares two valence electrons, then it is said to be that it contains a single covalent bond. A double bond is when atom shares two pairs of electrons. That is, when an atom shares two pairs of electrons, that is totally 4, then that atom is said to be that it is having a double bond. Triple bond is when atom shares three pairs of electrons. That is, if any atom shares three pairs of electrons, that is totally 6, then that atom is said to be that it contains a triple bond. 7, a coordinate covalent bond. when one atom donates both electrons in a covalent bond. That is, if any atom donates both the electrons in a covalent bond, then it is said to be that it is a coordinate covalent bond. So guys, we have came to the end of this session, and here I have gave you 10 model questions, that is, you can say it as quiz, so related to this topic what we have discussed now. So if you have any doubts, please do ask in the comment section. Thank you for listening to my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.